bending
The
of
light
light
is coming
when
from
light is
the bulb
from one medium
and
to another
falls
medium
on
is
this
called
wall.
refraction
And
of
what the
light.
ball will do?
Welcome to Science World. This is Prithvi Abhinav. Science World is a platform to your child to learn science in an innovative way. We create videos for each and every student. We create videos for each and every student depending upon their understanding skills. Of course, it is the toughest job for us, but our main aim is to provide quality education for each and every student. So, if you want to learn science in an innovative way, with more practical examples and more animated videos, then my Science World is ready to teach you in a more innovative way. So get ready to get the roller coaster ride with my Science World. This is Prithvi Abhinav signing out.
We have five senses: sight, hearing, smell, taste, touch. These senses help us to interact with the world around us. Eyes help us to see things. Ears help us to hear sounds, and we can smell with our nose. Taste with tongue, like yummy gulab jam, and sense of touch provided by our skin. Of course, all senses are important, but sense of sight plays a major role in our daily life. We are able to see the objects around us just because of light. Without light, we can't see any object. In this video, I am going to explain basic introduction about light.
When light falls on any surface, it undergoes different phenomena depending upon the nature of the object. It may be undergoes reflection, refraction, and absorption. First of all, what is this reflection, refraction, and absorption? We will talk about it. What is reflection of light? What is reflection of light? The light is coming from the bulb and falls on this wall. And what the wall will do? The wall will bounce back the light, and that bounced back light reaches my eyes. In this way I can see the world. Simply it is called reflection of light. One light falls on an object and that object bounces back the light into the same medium is called reflection of light. Without reflection we can't see any object. Really, without that bounce back of light I can see the wall. I can't see the wall because if that wall does not bounce back the light, it is impossible to see the wall. So reflection makes our world visible. To get more clarity, just watch this video.
Just think that ball as light, and that ball hits the wall, and that wall bounces back the light into the same medium, just like reflection of light.
I think you all get lot of clarity about reflection of light. Now I will take a plane mirror. A light ray is coming and falling on the plane mirror. I take light ray to get more clarity. This light ray is called incident light ray. So what the plane mirror will do? The plane mirror will bounce back the light. Simply it is called reflection of light. So after reflection, the ray move like this, and this ray is called reflected ray. And the ray normal to get angles. And this angle is called angle of incidence, and this angle is called angle of reflection. Light follows some laws while doing reflection. They are called laws of reflection. We have two laws of reflection. First law is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. For example, if the angle of incidence is 30, then angle of reflection is also 30. Then what about second law? The incident ray, the reflected ray, and normal to be at the same plane. To be at the same plane, it is not point. The incident ray, the reflected ray, and normal to be at the same plane. This is all about the laws of reflection. But wait, I have a question for you. I am doing reflection. You also doing reflection. A lot of objects also doing reflection. But images are formed in the mirror or else plane surfaces like water. What is the reason behind that? Why I am not getting images in me? What is the reason? Just think.
The reason behind it is different types of reflection. We have two types of reflection: regular reflection and irregular reflection. Now we will discuss about it. Then we can know why the images are forming in the mirror and why the images is not forming in us.
What is meant by regular reflection? Just I take a plane surface, just like a mirror. Some rays are coming and falling on the mirror. Just observe carefully. All the incident rays are parallel to each other. All the incident rays are parallel to each other. What the mirror will do? The mirror will reflect the light. And see carefully here. All the reflected rays are also parallel to each other. Simply it is called regular reflection. What is regular reflection? The incident rays are parallel to each other and reflected rays also parallel to each other. Simply it is called regular reflection. If any object doing regular reflection means that object will get image in it, just like mirror and water. Simply it is called regular reflection of the object. What is irregular reflection? Irregular reflection, okay. Just see my hand. My hand is an irregular surface. It just look like a plane surface, but in microscopic level, it just look irregular. So when light rays, some parallel light rays are coming and falling on irregular surface, after reflection, the light rays are non-parallel to each other. Simply it is called irregular reflection. Here, the incident rays are parallel, but reflected rays are not parallel to each other. In the irregular reflection, the image is not formed.
When rays of light falls on smooth surface, they are reflected parallel, so image is formed and we can clearly see the reflection. Example, mirror and plane surface like water. So what is regular reflection? In the regular reflection, the incident rays are parallel and reflected rays are also parallel. Simply it is called a regular reflection. If the reflection occurs like this, then only the image is formed. When light falls on rough or irregular surface, the light reflects on different directions. They are not parallel, so reflection is not clear. For example, we are not able to see our image on irregular surfaces like human body, plastic, walls and lot more. So what is irregular surface? Here the incident rays are parallel but reflected rays are not parallel to each other, so image is not formed. Simply it is called irregular reflection of light. Refraction of light.
Okay, our next topic is refraction of light. Hey, what is this? Why this look likes? What is the reason behind their looks? Simply it is called refraction of light. What is this refraction of light? Okay, I will explain. Just I take a bowl of water, means a tub of water. The light is coming from the air and falls into the water. Hey wow, the light is bending. What is the reason behind the bending of light? What is the reason behind the bending of light? Here air is a rarer medium and water is a denser medium. Listen carefully. Air is a rarer, water is a denser. What is this rarer and what is the meaning of denser? Light has more speed is called rarer. Light has less speed is called denser. Air is a rarer medium, water is a denser medium. So when light is traveling from air to water, suddenly it slows down, result in the change in direction of the light. Means simply it bends. So when light is traveling from air to water, just observe carefully and draw a normal. It bends towards the normal. When light is traveling from air to water, it bends towards the normal. Simply it is called refraction of light. What is refraction of light? When light is traveling from one medium to another medium, result in the change in direction of the light. Simply it is called refraction of the light. Okay. To get more clarity, I want to tell an example. Okay. You are moving on the road. You are moving on the road with your car or else any bike. Okay. At some distant area, there are some sand particles or mud particles. Okay. Your car reaches sand particles and moving on the sand particles, suddenly your car speed is decreases. While you are moving on the sand particles, your car speed is decreases. Why? What is the reason? Your car have more speed on road and less speed on the sand particles, result in the change in speed in your car. So when any object changes its medium, result in the decrease or increase in speed. So just apply to light. When light is traveling from air to water, in air light have more speed, in water light have less speed. So light is traveling from air into water, the change in direction means the light is bending. Simply this beautiful thing is called refraction of light. What is refraction? The bending of light. Why the light bends? Because it changes its medium. Simply it is called refraction of light.
This is the basic introduction about light chapter. In our next videos, we will go deep into it. This is Prithvi Abhinav signing out.